Alright, today we will change our background image. Click on Customize, our header image. Click on Header Area. Click on Header Image. And add your new image right here. We have uploaded everything to the media library. I will put the files in the resources, so you can use the same images like me. Let's see how it looks. Let's crop this image. Okay, that's looking pretty cool for the first sight. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna add another image. Select and crop. We will wait. And we will crop it. Okay, it's looking awesome. All the files are in the resources. This is the image that we're gonna use for this course. Let's see how it looks. Okay, that's looking great for your first website. You're a beginner, but you can make professional websites right now. So, I hope I will see you in the next lecture. Thanks for being my student.